Hello everyone, I'm your teacher for this question. The question says the number Q of CD players a retail chain is willing to supply at the price of P dollars is given approximately by Q is equal to SP equal to 900P over P plus 20 in parentheses. So P is between 10 and 70. So P is greater or equal to 10 but smaller or equal to 70. We are asked to find the range of S. Okay, so first thing we need to notice is that the domain is given. So domain, which is given right here, domain is between 10 and 70. How to find the range? It's very easy to find if the domain is given. We just input these two numbers. So we input 10 and 70 to the original function. So put 10 and 70 to the function to find range. Okay, so very straightforward this question is. Okay, so now let's do this in practice. Okay, Q is equal to 900P over P plus 20. So for P equal to 10, so P equal to 10, Q is equal to 9,000. So 900 times 10, 9,000 over 10 plus 20 is 30. So this should be 300, right? So 300. And when P is equal to 70, Q is equal to what? 70 times 900 is 63,000. Or let's say, okay, 900 times 70, so 63,000. Okay, and this over what? 70 plus 90, 70 plus 20, so 90, and this should give us 700. Okay, so Q is in the range of 300 to 700, which is the range. Okay, so the range for this problem is 300 to 700. Okay, so it's very straightforward. And what we can take away from this question is how to find the range when the domain is given. We just input the specific number if the domain is given. And then we can just input the numbers to the original function to find the range. For this question, we have 10 and 70 as the domain, and we can just input these two numbers to find the corresponding range. Okay, and that will be the range for our function. All right, that's all for this question. See you in the next video. Thank you.